WordPress has emerged as a leading platform for creating NFT websites without any coding knowledge. Key to this approach is using plugins that automate smart contract deployment and token creation. Plugins like NFT Marketplace by WooCommerce allow users to upload files and set attributes, minting NFTs directly from their WordPress site. These plugins support features like gas-free minting options and cross-chain compatibility. This makes NFT creation accessible to non-technical users, streamlining the process and bypassing the need for extensive coding knowledge. Wallet Connect is crucial for securely linking crypto wallets to your WordPress NFT site, enabling transactions like purchases or mints without exposing private keys. Examples include MetaMask and Coinbase Wallet, which allow users to connect without risking their private keys. This connection enables seamless NFT transactions directly from wallet apps. Themes like Astra or Divi offer responsive designs for your NFT website. The Divi NFT Child theme provides specialized pages for NFT collections and sales. Integrating e-commerce plugins like WooCommerce is essential for handling NFT sales. Install a blockchain plugin and set up a wallet connection for seamless integrations. Focus on security by using IPFS for decentralized storage and SSL for encrypted connections. Understanding gas fees, royalties, and metadata standards like ERC 721 is also vital for NFT websites.